Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be entered in the Make It New monthly challenge that is hosted by Jessie from Be Thrifty 2, and for the second time in my life I've been asked to be a co-host. Jessie gently asked me to be her co-host for this challenge, and I'm more than honored, more than thankful to her, because what can I tell you about her? Let's start by saying that as a person she's amazing. She's all smiles, she's sweet, she's always upbeat, but the most important thing in this case is that she's so creative. All her creations are unique, absolutely unique, and she never runs out of ideas. So I will leave the link to her channel in the description box. Please visit her channel. I will also leave, as usual, the link to the playlist with all the videos that are participating in this challenge. And let's start with the Make It New. Again, as I say in almost every video, my daughter and I are dumpster divers. I will leave the link to our channel, Dumpster Chicks, in the description box. Please, if you visit us, you will make us very happy and you will have a lot of fun. One of the things we found last year at Party City was this wreath. Was a wreath. There were a couple of skulls here and here, but all the other skulls were missing. Skulls, you know, these things. So the original color was this gray. The whole thing was this gray. I spray painted it with flat black paint from Rust-Oleum, and now I'm going to decorate it to make it new, to rescue it. I have these snakes that I bought many years ago, no, a couple of years ago, and I'm going to place them all around. I have already, as you can see, glued some of them together, because believe me, everything is easy except for gluing the snakes. So I'm going to glue them to the wreath all around. I'm going to do that out of camera, and I'll be back and I'll show you how I'm going to finish this project for this to be a new piece. I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. I have already glued all the snakes. I forgot to tell you that these snakes were all the colors of the rainbow, all the colors you can imagine. They were painted in all those colors. You still can see here, this was yellow. Hope you can see it. Have to paint it. I just went with a brush, repainting some parts that where the paint came off, for all of them to look perfect, or almost perfect. I know they are not, they don't look perfect. But well, now that we have all the snakes glued in place, I'm going to go to this charger. This charger has a crack here, so I'm not going to use it anymore as a charger. So I'm going to place the wreath on top of the charger. I'm going to glue it with a generous amount of hot glue. Okay, now it is glued. So I am going to decorate the center. You saw it already with this little skull. I cut it in half. It's from Dollar Tree. I used this saw, I don't know how you call it. It was really easy. It took me 4 or 5 minutes. And I didn't need to mark anything because it has a mark here where both sides join. So it was really easy. Sorry. And I don't want the hot glue to show from the outside, from the borders of the skull. And anyways, I wouldn't be happy if I glued just the borders to the plate, because it may come loose. So what I did, I added 2 pieces of cardboard that I had around in the garbage, in fact in the recyclables bin, and I cut 2, and I glued those pieces here and here. Hope you can see them, with hot glue. So now I'm going to glue these parts to the charger, so I don't have any residue from the hot glue in the borders. So I need another stick. Oh, sorry. So that's what I'm going to do. Again, I'm going to be generous because I want this to be really, really firmly adhered to the charger. So I want to put enough glue so this one come off. Okay, here we go. Let's press for a little while, and we are almost done. So we have, well, I have rescued this old wreath, and I'm giving her a new chance in life. And I'm almost done, but I happen to paint. I had this bud around when I was painting the snakes, and I thought I'm going to paint it, no reason why. And then I realized that it's a great crown for this skull. I think it makes it even creepier. So I'm going to glue it there, and it has another detail that I think makes it look even better. I really like how it looks, and I'm happy I could rescue this wreath base. So let's wait for a moment. Hopefully it will stay in place, otherwise I will have to glue it again later. But I think it's going to stay there. So this is the final product. I hope you like it. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done it already, and ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Please visit Jessie's channel and the videos in the playlist, and if you can, our dumpster diving channel. I have to thank again 1,000 times Jessie for asking me to co-host with her, and I have to thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next video, and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye bye.